Good morning, dear students. Let us see some important plants and discuss their properties and indications in Ayurveda. Among them, the first one is displayed on the screen for you. This is a well-known drug and is familiar and is a culinary cuisine. This is Rajika, Rajika. It is also called Sarsapa, Sarshapa. Mustard seed is used in Ayurveda for both external application and oral use in treating worm infestation, pruritus, that is itching, psychiatric disorders, low digestion strength, and many more. Mustard is a well-known culinary substance appreciated due to its specific odor and carminative effect. This is a compulsory item in almost all sambar powder, masala powder, prickle, and even while seasoning of the dishes, and some side dishes also. Its botanical name are different according to their types. Among them, white mustard and yellow mustard are called Sinapis alba. Black mustard is called Brassica nigra. And Sarsapa, which is Indian mustard, that is called Brassica jansea. It belongs to family Cruciferae. And the another synonym of Cruciferae is Brassicaceae. Now, the habit of the drug Sarsapa is it is an upright plant with large stalked leaves. They are covered with hairs or bristles at the base, but on the stem it is smoother. It can reach up to 80 to 90 centimeter or 31 to 35 inches in height or tall, or even up to 2.4 meter or 8 feet in moist and fertile soil. It blooms in summer from May onwards. The flowers have 4 yellow petals which are twice as long as sepals. Each stem has around 4 flowers at the top, forming a ring around the stem. Later, the plant forms long seed pods that contain 4 rounded seeds. Now, produced of Rajika are seed and seed oil. Its indications are leukoderma, cracked skin, fever, leprosy, wasting of muscles, insanity, epilepsy, swelling, rheumatoid arthritis, neurological disorders, gynecological disorders, earache, wounds, acne vulgaris, fungal infection or candidiasis in oral cavity, vomiting, insanity, flatulence, pallor, jaundice and rhinitis, splenomegaly, and lastly the cardiac disorders. Now on the screen you can see an important plant that is called Rohitaka, Rohitaka. Rohitaka. Tecomella undulata is an Ayurvedic herb used for the treatment of diabetes, jaundice, piles, intestinal worms, leukorrhea, and indigestion. Its botanical name is Tecoma undulata, synonymously Tecomella undulata. Belongs to family Bignoniaceae. Regarding habit of Rohitaka, is a medium-sized tree growing in the Himalayan belt and plains of North and West India to a height of 6 to 10 meter. The leaves of the tree resemble to that of pomegranate leaves. The flowers are yellow or bright orange in color, are seen in the month of April and May. Tree produces quality timber. Produced of the tree Rohitaka is bark. Its indications include pliha, diseases of the spleen and especially splenomegaly, udara, ascites, enlargement of the abdomen, Jakrit roga, liver disorders, gulma, tumors of the abdomen, mamsa, meda, diseases of the muscles as well as fatty tissues, bhuta, psychiatric disorders, antimicrobial agent. Anaha, bloating and fullness of the abdomen. Bibanda is constipation. Asra, blood disorders such as abscesses, skin disorders, bleeding disorders such as menorrhagia, nasal bleeding, etc. Shula is abdominal colicky pain. Rusa, pain. Krimi, worm infestation. Brana, ulcers and wounds and netraroga, diseases of the eye. Now on the screen you can see a drug called Putran Jivaka, Putranjivaka. Putran Jivaka, Putranjiva Raksbargi is an Ayurvedic herb used for the treatment of eye disorders, burning sensation, elephantiasis, difficulty in micturition, agiospermia and habitual abortions. The name Putranjivaka denotes which promotes or gives life to progeny, which promotes fertility both in men and women. Its Latin name is Putranjiva Raksbargi. It belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. Putranjivaka is a moderate sized evergreen tree growing to a height up to 12 meters with pendant branches and a dark grey bark having horizontal lenticels. The leaves are simple, alternate, deciduous, stiple, triangular, acute, coriaceous, petiole 0.4 to 1 cm long, nearly glabrous, plano-convex in cross section. The flowers are unisexual. Male flowers are axillary clusters and yellow in color. The produced are seed and leaf. Indications of the drug Putranjivaka include Ayurvedic classics have highlighted the importance of Putranjivaka as the one which helps in progenation. The powder of the seed is given in a dose of 1 to 3 gram with milk to improve the sperm count in males and help in maintain the fetus in pregnant women. The paste of the leaf is applied over the area affected with burning sensation. Fresh juice of Putranjivaka is given in a dose of 10 to 15 ml to treat elephantiasis, and the paste of the leaf is applied over the affected leg. Cold infusion prepared from the leaves of Putranjiva Raksbargi is given in a dose of 20 to 30 ml to treat difficulty in micturition. The seeds of Putranjivaka is made into paste and applied as collyrium to treat eye diseases. Now on the screen, our favorite dish, Pudina, Pudina. Synonymously, it is called Putiha, Putiha. Now, Pudina, Mantha piperita, is a plant which is used for the treatment of indigestion, pain in joints, diarrhea, cough, dysmenorrhea, and fever. Its Latin name is Mantha piperita, synonymously Mantha spicata. It belongs to the family Labiatae. Now, regarding habit of the drug, Mantha piperita is a perennial herb growing in the hilly regions or in the cold climatic regions of India. The plant has a strong odor and grows to a height of 1 to 2 feet. The leaves are slimy, dark, and have a strong odor. The flowers are purple in color. Mantha spicata is also used as the synonym of Mantha piperita. Now, the produced are leaf and oil extract. The indications of Mantha piperita or Pudiha include the leaves are used as carminative and helps in digestion of food. 1 to 3 drops of oil obtained after processing from the plant is used with hot water to treat indigestion and relieve colicky pain of the abdomen. The paste of the leaf of Mantha piperita is applied over the joints to relieve pain and localized inflammation. Cold infusion of the plant in a dose of 30 to 40 ml is used to relieve dysmenorrhea and fever. The fresh juice of the leaf of Pudina in a dose of 55 to 10 ml is given with honey to relieve cough and sore throat. Now it is Puga, Puga. Betel nut, Areca catechu, is an Ayurvedic herb mentioned for the treatment of mouth ulcers, leukorrhea, dental plaques, joint pain, diarrhea, intestinal worms, and excessive urination. Its Latin name is Areca catechu. It belongs to the family Palmae, synonymously Ericaceae. The habit of the drug is Areca tree is found and cultivated for its commercial value in the southern states of Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and in northern states of Assam. The tree grows to a height of 12 to 20 meters and has a diameter of 10 to 15 centimeters. It is tall, slender, and unbranched, surmounted by a crown of pinnate leaves. The leaves are 4 to 6 feet long, pen-type, feather-like, drooping leaves often confluent and glabrous. Leaflets are numerous and 30 to 60 centimeters long. The female flowers are solitary or in groups of 2 or 3 at or near the base of each ramification of the spadix. The spadix is sessile, much larger than the male. The fruits are 3.8 to 5 centimeters long, smooth, ovoid or oblong, green in unripe stage, and nuts are orange or reddish in color in refined matured stage. Inside the fruit, there is a single seed. Now, parties of Areca catechu are fruit. It is indicated in Vatra, Vairasya, bed breath, foul smell. Mala Dorgandhya, foul smelling faces. Here on the screen, you can see another important drug called Chironji, and it is known as Priyal, Priyal. Buchnania lenjan, Cheroli, Chironji are synonyms, and in vernacular also. Cheroli is called Priyala in Ayurveda. It is used as a cooking spice. It is an aphrodisiac, nourishing, cardiac tonic, but it may cause indigestion if taken in excessive amount. Then permissible. Botanical name is Buchnania latifolia and synonymously Buchnania lenjan. It belongs to the family Anacardaceae. The habit of the drug is it is a evergreen, moderate sized tree with straight cylindrical trunk up to 10 to 15 meters in height and tomentose branches. Leaves are thickly coriaceous, broadly oblong with a rounded base. Flower small, greenish white in color. Flowering starts in the month of November. The seed laterally much compressed, creamish brown, mottled with darker brown lines, 0.4 to 0.6 centimeter long and 0.3 to 0.5 centimeter wide. Regarding part used, stem bark, nuts, seed kernel are used in medicinal purposes. Now it is indicated in Daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, etc. Jwara, fever, trishna, excessive thirst, brimhana, nourishing and nutritious, vrishya, aphrodisiac, improves vigor, valya, improves strength and immunity. Now on the screen, very beautiful, very blooming drug called Priyangu, Pringu. Priyangu, Calicarpa macrophylla, is an Ayurvedic coolant herb used for the treatment of headache, diarrhea mixed with blood, as in cases of ulcerative colitis, general debility, fever, pain in the joints, skin diseases, etc. Its Latin name is Calicarpa macrophylla and it belongs to family Verbenaceae. Now, Priyangu is a perennial shrub growing up to 2 meter height, found in northeastern parts of India and at 3000 feet in Himalaya region. Branches have hairy like cotton structures The leaves are 18 to 30 centimeter long, ovate and lanceolate, smooth from upper surface and hairy from the ventral surface. The flowers are small, pink, appears in inflorescence. Some are purple or pinkish purple in color. The fruits are fleshy, white, divided into 4 compartments, each having one single seed. Ripe fruits, they look spongy. Now part used are flower, bark and root. Indications are Dorgandia, bed odor, Sweda, excessive sweating, Daha, burning sensation as in cases of gastritis, as in cases of neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, etc. Jwara, fever, Gulma, tumors of the abdomen, Krishna, excessive thirst, Visha, toxic conditions and poisoning states, Moha is delusion, Vanti is vomiting, Vranti is dizziness.